I can't read the town sign from here. The heading says, "Welcome to Bot Town," but it's not very big for a town sign, is it? You are right. For a town title, it should be commanding, bold, impressive.
Can CSS fix that?
Can CSS fix that? Darling, CSS can fix
everything. Today's spell is called font size, and with it, we measure our text like a tailor measures a suit.
Oh, a magical measuring tape.
And on a screen, we measure in pixels. A pixel is a tiny little dot of light on your screen.
Pixels? What's a pixel?
Your whole screen is made of millions of these tiny dots, like a mosaic made of light.
So the text is actually made of tiny dots?
We shorten pixel to just px. So when I say 40px, I mean 40 pixels tall. 80x means 80 pixels tall, twice as big. The bigger the number, the bigger the text. The bigger the number, the bigger the text. Precisely. Now here's the most important design idea of today's lesson. On a well-designed page, the size of text tells you how important it is. Here is our size ladder. H1 is biggest, H2 is medium big, H3 is smaller, and P is the smallest.
Woo-hoo!
As a guide, H1 might be around 48 to 60 pixels, H3 around 24 to 28, and paragraphs around 14 to 18. Nothing feels important?
Exactly.
When everything shouts, nothing is heard. Size creates meaning. Size tells the reader where to look first. Right! Let's put font size to work on Bot Town. I'll start with the heading. It needs to be commanding. Step 1. The H1 heading, big and bold. H1, color gold, font size 60px. Step 2. The H2 section headings, a bit smaller. H2 gets a font size of 36 pixels.
3. The edX.
Step 3. Paragraph text, a comfortable reading size. P gets font size 18 pixels. Just add a new line inside and keep going. So one rule can have more than one CSS instruction? Now, shall we see the magic?
Whoa!
Oh, now that is a proper web page. You can feel the importance of each piece of text just by looking at it. The heading is so much more impressive now. It really feels like a town title. Wait, what if I make the heading big? Like 200px? Oh, I wouldn't. Okay, that's too big. What about super tiny, like 4px? And that's whispering. No one can read it. So there's a sweet spot. There's always a sweet spot in design. Not too big, not too small, just right. Like a certain fairy tale about porridge.
Your turn. Let's set up your size ladder.
Remember, the heading should be the biggest, and everything in between should feel just right. Here is your template. Choose your own color and your own font sizes. Good starting sizes to experiment with. H1 between 48 and 72 pixels, H2 between 28 and 40, and paragraphs between 14 and 20. Done? Does your heading feel big and important? Can you comfortably read your paragraphs? That's good design. Look at that. 3 CSS spells in and BotTown already looks like a real designed web page. Let's remember what we learned today.
Huh?
We used code to build this entire town. Font size controls how big or small your text appears on screen. PX stands for pixels, tiny dots of light. Bigger number means bigger text. Bigger text means more important. Smaller text means supporting information. You can put multiple properties inside one CS rule, color, and more. So one set of curly brackets can contain several CSS instructions. And if the text is too big, it's shouting. Too small, it's whispering. Find the sweet spot. The sizes are perfect. The actual style of the letters still using the same plain font.
You mean we can change what the letters look like?
Oh, darling. Next episode, we go shopping for fonts. And it is delightful. See you then!